In this video, we will discuss the process of aquarium cycling, how long it typically takes, and the importance of testing water parameters during this time. We'll also give tips on how to slowly introduce new fish into the tank to prevent overwhelming the biofilter and maintain a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Welcome to our video on aquarium cycling time. If you're a beginner in the world of fish keeping, you may have heard of aquarium cycling, but you're not sure what it is or how long it takes. In this video, we will guide you through the process of aquarium cycling and give you tips on how to ensure a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Aquarium cycling is the process of establishing beneficial bacteria in your aquarium's biofilter. These bacteria convert toxic ammonia and nitrite into less harmful nitrate, creating a stable environment for your fish to thrive in. The process of cycling an aquarium typically takes around 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, it's important to test the water parameters regularly using a reliable water testing kit to ensure that the levels of ammonia and nitrite are zero and that nitrate levels are rising. It's crucial to keep the levels of ammonia and nitrite as close to zero as possible since they can be toxic to fish, even in small amounts. Once the water parameters have stabilized and the tank has completed the nitrogen cycle, you can begin to add fish slowly. Start with a few hardy species like zebrafish or guppies and add no more than 1 to 2 fish per week. This will prevent overwhelming the tank's biofilter, allowing the beneficial bacteria to adjust to the new bioload. It's also essential to continue monitoring the water parameters and perform regular water changes to maintain a healthy environment for your fish. A good rule of thumb is to perform a 25 water change every 2 weeks. However, if you notice any signs of stress or illness in your fish, it's essential to test the water parameters and perform a water change immediately. That's it for our video on aquarium cycling time. Remember, aquarium cycling takes time and patience is key. Testing your water parameters regularly and adding fish slowly will help you maintain a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fish keeping tips and tricks.